So it was a challenge that I did to myself. I had challenged myself that prove yourself that you can do this. And being IT person, because I have completed my BE Computers in 2006.
I have read about you that you have completed your CE in 2009, right?
2006. 2009 I started my company. So it was like an challenge, open challenge to myself, and I started my freelancing work actually. And then after I was getting so much work that I was not able to manage single-handed. So I had to hire people to complete the work because I have to retain my clients. So that is how I started my company, and as I told you, I had to do the hard work to meet the expectations, and that is how the company has started, and it is 7 years now and working smoothly.
So probably the moment of realization where she felt that this is not what I want to do. હજી મારે ઘણું અચીવ કરવાનું છે, મને એક્સપોઝર નથી મળતું. એ જે અંતરસ્ફૂર્ણા જે છે કે